2019 Dodge Ram with CAN bus problems. The electrical system was shorting out, wouldn't come out of park, shut the truck down, wouldn't start, wait a while, it'd start back up, isolated the codes in the computer when the computer would work, and everything pertained to the brake system, ABS. Everybody says it's the wiring harness on the tail lights on these, but what I found was the wiring harness to the ABS module rubbed through on the frame, because up in here there's that rough weld right there. See it? And that weld right there rubbed through the harness and shorted out the main power wires. So if you're having troubles, try looking here.